Okay, so we're in Saint-Tropez at Château de la Messardière. That's the name of the resort. And it's one of the most beautiful rooms I've seen. This is the one bedroom suite. So over here you have your living room. Nice spacious living room. So you have your desk area over here. You have your coffee and your coffee maker over there. You have your little dining room table, living room table, I'm sorry, where they left sweets and treats and a nice bottle of Vul for a welcome. Over here, you have a nice size flat screen TV. Over here, you have an incredible walk-in closet. So if your significant other is one of those people that packs huge bags and needs to unload their bags, there's a nice sizable walk-in closet. Over here, you have a safe for all your important belongings. Nice size safe. You have drawer space, cabinetry space. Over here, these double doors open up and can close for privacy for your bedroom, but you have your bedroom over here. Nice king size bed. You know I love to tell you guys about the bed. It's really comfortable. Really comfortable. You have two nightstands on both sides. Over here, you have like a princess window. That's what I called it. I don't know if that's what it's called, but you open up the window. You have a nice view of the outside over there. And over there. You have a nice flat screen TV on this side again. With some cabinet space under there. A mirror over there for when you're getting ready. You want to check out your outfit. In here, you have a beautiful bathroom. His and her sink. Walk-in shower on this side. You have your toilet room over here with the door that opens and closes. You have a nice bathtub over here. If the wife likes to take a bath, or even if you come with children, you need to bathe them, that's the perfect size bathtub. On this side, the final thing we have is our balcony. Now this balcony opens up right here with the glass door. You walk outside, you have a nice table, umbrella, and a beautiful view. You have a sea view, so over there is the water and the ocean. You have a nice view off of the side of the resort. Amazing view, guys. This room in this hotel has really surprised me. Wasn't expecting all this, but it's a beautiful place. Beautiful place in Saint-Tropez. So, hope you enjoyed it. Till next time.